Here we are on our way to the freeway, and this is about the cowl noise. They call it cowl, the plastic part between the hood and the windshield that is making a noise at certain speeds. There. Let's stop here and let's have a peek under the hood. It's a little loud here, so but we try our best. This plastic piece here is the cowl, okay? And then sometimes it's a little odd here with a gap. You can see here it's like a gap from the rubber thing. It's not really hitting good. You know, that happens. But that is not what's making the noise. So I see some videos here where people replace the whole thing in order to get rid of the noise. But I do think there is no reason for doing that. The noise gets created by this thing going up and down. Like this. You hear the clicking noise? So this whole thing is doing this. There's a point of contact down here. There's a point of contact here. And one over there. And if we go in there and we put a little bit stuff underneath here, there. Can you see that? If we put some stuff in between here, some rubber, this is gonna stop making the noise. And the same here at this point. So I'm gonna get some rubber out and then we do this quick. Look, I have here some rubber foam, and that's what I'm going to use to put underneath there. So I just put it here. Well, of course you can't see this. So I put this rubber foam piece underneath, here in the hole, like this, and then this one is keeping it down. See this? There. And once the hood pushes down on this, there's one over here too. At the very end here, okay? So there's one more. When the hood is closed, it's gonna hold those things down. There. You can use a bigger piece. And this is hard to show. How this works, but now it can't jiggle anymore. So let's see if we can show this here. I hope you can see the pad is there holding this here into place. Okay? Over time it settles. So we need to go up to speed in order to hear the noise if it's still there. But I'm pretty confident this is not. Let's go back to the same speed. We were at 75, I think. So this would be the speed where we heard the noise earlier. I'm going to go back here. And as you can see now, it's quiet. Can even go a little further. Now we have more wind noise in the chassis, but the cowl is completely quiet now. Right there, so then I just do hope now that you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you can click there. Oops, I have to stay on the road. Sorry about that. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and there is no money needed to pay here. So you're saving $300, $400 of money spent at the dealership for fixing this, but just putting a little tape there or rubber piece, and that's how much money I just saved you if you have this problem. If you have questions, put them in the comments below. Okay, yeah, I have to take the turn here. Okay, and maybe you hit the subscribe button or the like button or whatever, and